Lovera Calcium Balm has been gaining considerable attention in the skincare community, largely due to its claims of repairing, rejuvenating, and deeply nourishing the skin using calcium and a mix of natural botanical ingredients. The balm is marketed as a multi-purpose skincare treatment that can help with dryness, rough texture, irritation, and loss of skin elasticity. According to product descriptions and user testimonials, the calcium component plays a key role in supporting skin barrier repair and strengthening the outer layer of the skin, while plant-based extracts and natural oils provide hydration and promote smoothness. The formula is often praised for being non-greasy, gentle, and suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skin. Many reviewers have noted that the balm absorbs quickly, leaves the skin feeling soft and supple, and delivers a visible glow after regular use. Users who have shared positive reviews commonly highlight that Lovera Calcium Balm provides excellent moisturization, helps soothe redness or flakiness, and improves the skin's resilience over time. Some people report using it as an all-in-one treatment for hands, elbows, and face, claiming that it helps heal cracked or damaged skin faster than conventional lotions. A few even mention that it can calm irritation from minor burns or shaving. Those with dry or mature skin appear to benefit the most, with feedback suggesting a noticeable improvement in hydration and firmness when used consistently. However, not every review is glowing. Some users feel that while the balm is pleasant to use and offers surface-level hydration, it doesn't fully live up to the hype created by online marketing and influencer endorsements. A handful of customers say they didn't notice significant improvements in deeper skin issues like wrinkles, pigmentation, or scars. Others mention that the results are slow to appear and require weeks of continuous application before any meaningful changes become visible. Like many skincare products, results with Lovera Calcium Balm seem to vary widely depending on individual skin type, age, and specific concerns. In terms of authenticity, there's no credible evidence to suggest that Lovera Calcium Balm is a scam. The product appears to come from a legitimate skincare brand with an established presence on reputable online platforms and verified customer feedback. Most concerns surrounding it stem from overhyped marketing rather than fraudulent practices. It's important to note that while the balm may provide genuine moisturizing and soothing benefits, it is not a medical treatment or miracle cure for serious skin conditions. Users should maintain realistic expectations, seeing it as a supportive skincare aid that complements a healthy routine rather than a product that can transform skin overnight. Overall, Lovera Calcium Balm seems to be a genuine product that provides hydration, nourishment, and mild repair benefits for dry or sensitive skin. It is not a scam, but its effectiveness depends largely on consistent use and individual response. Those looking for a luxurious, gentle balm that can enhance moisture retention and improve skin texture over time may find it worthwhile. However, anyone expecting instant or dramatic transformations may be disappointed. As with all skincare items, patch testing and gradual integration into a routine are recommended to ensure compatibility and optimal results.